With the presser foot up and the needle raised to its highest point, remove the needle by unscrewing the thumb screw. Pull the needle down and out of the machine. There's a flat side and a rounded side to sewing machine needles. Put the needle in the machine with the flat side to the right. Press the needle firmly up to seat it all the way up into the needle clamp. Tighten the thumb screw. The needle should be centered in the hole from front to back, but is slightly to the right of center side to side. My machine came with some original FR stamped needles that the instruction manual says are a requirement. They feel sharp, but they aren't actually sharp enough anymore. If your machine is skipping stitches, tangling thread, or struggling to get through heavier material, try putting in a new needle. This is an original needle with the manufacturer's stamp compared to the page in the manual that shows the exact length of needle required. Thicker and thinner needles were sold to handle heavier and finer material, but the length needs to be the same so that the point of the needle doesn't hit any of the bobbin mechanisms underneath. Luckily for those of us wanting to use treadle machines now, needles haven't really changed in the last century. This is a pack of needles I bought a few weeks ago from Joann Fabrics. Other than the paint on the shank of the needle, they're practically identical to the needles from 100 years ago. The old needles have a groove down their entire length rather than just down at the eye of the needle, but that's a manufacturing thing, not a function feature. I keep my original needles because they're cool, but for actual sewing, pop in a modern universal needle and marvel at how little needle technology has changed in the last century.